Good morning, treasurers. This is your host Parthesh Shah from Fintech, and you are listening to Night Snippets. Here is what you need to know before going into trade for 14th October 2021. In the international market, US Consumer Price Index for all items rose 0.4% month on month for September versus 0.3% expectation. On a year-on-year basis, CPI increased 5.4% versus estimate of 5.3%. US 10-year yields eased at 156 percentage points and 30-year at 2.05 percentage points on Wednesday. Minutes from FOMC showed that the US Fed could begin a gradual tapering process by as soon as mid-November. I repeat, minutes from FOMC showed that the US Fed could begin a gradual tapering process by as soon as mid-November. In the crude oil market, crude is trading at 83.42. Short-term range for crude is 81 to 85. In the currency market, dollar index is at 94.04. DXY's today's range 93.90 to 94.29. USD CNY Chinese yuan is at 643. USD INR again touched a high of 75.51 and closed at 75.37. Support at 74.90 and resistance at 75.40. Trading strategy: USD INR pair is expected to trade in a narrow range, no directional bias, but 74.80-75 looks more possible as and when it consolidates. In the domestic market, government bond prices ended higher yesterday because CPI inflation fell to a 5-month low. CPI at 4.35 in September eased fears of a sooner than expected pass-through of elevated crude oil prices to domestic inflation. Now HSBC has also come up with a report for Indian bond market. Indian bonds global bond index inclusion story. HSBC is estimating $30 to $40 billion of inflows by 2022 once the global bond inclusion becomes a reality. 563 2026 closed at 566 versus 570. The previous trading day. 610 2031 closed at 631 versus 632 the previous trading day. As far as the trading strategy is concerned, we continue to hold stance for your 563 2025 purchases, if any, at 573 levels, which was recommended in this podcast on Tuesday. For all those who have taken positions in 610 2031 and 667 2035 may continue to hold for some more time. Frequent traders may go ahead and sell the profitable positions in 610 2031 and 667 2035 today before the GSEC auctions, as demand is yet to be seen at elevated levels. Trading range for 610 2031 seems to be 628 to 633. That's it for today. See you next week with a new episode of Night Snippets.